new here, my name is Ashley. It's nice to meet you, and thank you for checking out this video. And if you're not, thank you for coming back and supporting me. You guys have no idea how much it means to me. I really appreciate it. So today I will be doing another review, but this time it's gonna be a skincare review. It's a little bit on the cheaper side. You can get that at Walmart, Target. Pretty sure you can go to that CVS, Walgreens. So it's a drugstore brand, but it's pretty good. Some stuff can get a little pricey. Like, I think this bottle was $12, which I mean, honestly, isn't that bad because it lasts like 3 months. So I had to Google how to say this brand's name because I was gonna call it Cerave, but it's actually called Cerave, which is good to know because I would have pronounced it wrong the whole entire video. So first things first, I'm gonna start with the Cerave foam facial cleanser. So you can tell that I've used it. This actually goes in my shower. I do like this. This has lasted a long time. I got this back in I think June, back when it was all TikTok hype and stuff, just to try it out because it doesn't hurt to ever try it out. I'm always looking for new skincare products. Well, it's for normal to oily skin, which I did not read, and I tend to have very dry skin, so I don't know. So I don't use this as often, and because it's so thick, it's so thick, and you can definitely tell it's very it doesn't have a fragrance, but it smells like medicine to me, if that makes sense. And it's very thick, so you really don't need a little bit because it will a little bit. Let's just say a little bit goes a long way with this stuff. Obviously it's October now, and I've had this since June, and it's still, I think we're only reaching halfway. So I definitely like this stuff. It does help clear up my skin, especially if I have some pimples coming in. It has 3 essential ceramides. I'm not even going to try to pronounce all these big words because I am not a doctor. But yeah, I definitely recommend it. This is a 12-ounce fluid. I got this all from... This one's definitely meant for oily skin. I don't necessarily know if I'll buy this one again, just because I need something to help with my dry skin. And I feel like this just dries me out a little bit too much because it's meant for oily skin. So if you do have oily skin, definitely recommend this. Sadly, I don't. My face just sucks up all the oils because it's so dry. But I do like this a lot. It's just not meant for my skin, so I probably won't buy it again. But if you do have oily skin, give it a try. And I will have this all linked down below, and then I'll put how much this cost up here so you guys can have a price range, because I did buy them in June, and so I have no clue. Don't remember how much they were. Next thing, this is the Cerave moisturizing cream. Moisturizes and helps restore the protective skin barrier. I really like this. This is a 16-ounce fluid. I like that it has the pump, so it's very easy to use. I do use this pretty much every day, as long as it's not there's no sun, because there is no sunscreen in this one. So I do have another product to show you that does have sunscreen. And yes, this one is meant for normal to dry skin. So this one works. I believe they probably have one that's meant for normal to oily skin, like that cleanser that I have. When I bought these, actually, I did not even read, because sometimes I'm just so bad at that. Read what was on it, just to make sure that it would go good with my skin. And let's just say this one was good. The one before was not meant for my skin type, which is fine. You live and you learn, and now I know I have to check the labels now. But this is daytime moisturizer, which I really like, so I definitely recommend this. It is pretty thick, so you really only need a little bit, just like the last one, which is great because they come in these bigger bottles, which I don't remember the cost again, so I will have it linked up there. But it's October, like I said earlier, it's October, and I still have this. So you can, as you can see, it could be a little bit pricier side of the drugstore, but it lasts a long time. Okay, so this product is my absolute favorite. I've actually bought 2 of these already, and my mom loves it. This is the Cerave night cream. It doesn't actually say like what type of skin it's for, but it's skin renewing night cream, and I use this every time after I take a shower at night, especially working out from the gym, and it just makes my face feel so baby smooth, and I absolutely love this. As you can tell, I use this quite a bit. Sorry, there's a little hair in there. Yeah, but again, like a little bit, I usually dot here, 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 and here, and I just do little dots, and then I rub it all in together, because a little goes a long way with this brand, honestly. Like, you don't need much of it, and it lasts quite a bit of time. I think the only reason why I've had to buy this twice already is because I usually bring mine to the gym with me, so then my mom uses it too, so it's not just one person, it's both of us. So that's probably, I think that's the only reason why I've had to buy another one of these. And if you go on the airplane, you can take this because it's under 8 fluid ounces, which is a bonus. Okay, so this is the last Cerave product that I got. So this is like my little Cerave haul. I only got 4 products just to try it out. And because all the other products I didn't necessarily need, so I didn't feel like spending the money if I didn't need it. So this one I absolutely love, especially during the summer. Sorry. Because I do tend to get sunburnt right here. But like right here, especially, like I have patches, as you can see on my face, which get a little bit, I say the summer it helps it a lot more than it does during the winter. Like, as you're gonna see the winter, and it's gonna be bad. But it's okay. I don't wear foundation, so I don't cover it up, just because foundation, I haven't found a foundation that I like that feels light. All the foundations usually break out my skin very bad, so I just don't wear it. So I just go natural. This is all me. This is me completely, and I don't got any makeup on. But anyways, let me stop rambling and let me show you guys this project. It's not a project. This product, Cerave Ultra Light Moisturizing Lotion. And I think it's Broad Spectrum SPF 30. So moisturizing to help restore the protective skin barrier. So I use this during the summer. It's pretty much it's not gotten out all the way. There's still quite a bit in there. I used it today just for the fact that the sun is out, even though it's not really hot. I just like to better be safe than sorry. I absolutely love this. I put it on before I go swimming, and this is also sadly meant for normal to oily skin. So I would say I'm closer to the normal to dry side than I am the normal to oily. So this does make, so when I put this on, honestly, this does make my face a little bit, like, thankfully my skin like is dry, so it sucks it up because it makes my skin a little oily. So if you have an oily skin, I don't know, even though it's meant for you guys, I don't know how well it works if it makes my skin that's dry look oily, so I'm not quite sure. I usually put this on about 30 minutes, like right after I get out of the shower, and then while I'm getting ready, my face has time to absorb the moisturizer, just because it does make it a little oily, a little bit more oily than I would like, which is, you know, can't complain. It's what you get at the price. Then I have one more product, which is not actually Cerave, but it is another drugstore product that I absolutely love. I just got it this week, over the weekend, because I seen it in another YouTube video, and let me say, it has been a life changer. My skin has never been this clear, and I haven't had a breakout at all this week, which is not normal. Usually I have at least 1 or 2 breakouts during the week. Like, I have pretty clear skin, and so I'm very happy for that, but I usually have a couple breakouts, and I really haven't. Like you can see, like, some were about to form and then they went away, but this is this, and you don't realize how dirty your face is. I usually put on one of these. And honestly, let me just show you guys. Even though I washed my face earlier this morning, but I'm pretty sure it's dirty. Especially the first time I used this, I was like, oh my goodness, my face is nasty. So I just get wet and I'm just kind of go around and everything. I'm gonna go close my eye. It helps it's waterproof, so it helps get off all that waterproof if I were to be wearing makeup today, which I usually wear waterproof mascara just for the fact that you never know. And you guys are about to see how dirty this is. And I just so I got up, it's like 11 now, and I got up around 9 and took a shower, so my face, is not as dirty as it would be if it was the end of the day, but still pretty dirty for using that earlier today and washing my face. Like, that's just how fast oil and dirt gets on your face. I don't know if you can really see it. I promise it's a lot dirtier than what it looks like on camera. But yeah, and I just use that before I get in the shower and after I usually work out. So I use it in the morning and at night, and it has absolutely been a life changer. So since I just took this off, I just show you guys what I normally do, because I'm about to go outside. I got a few errands to run, so and then just rub it in, and that is the I'm gonna use a little too much. The sunscreen one, so I got some time. You can tell my face is a little bit oily than before, which is fine because my face is gonna be sucking in, and it sucks it all whatever I put on my face on, just because it's dry. Okay. So, yeah, I hope you guys like that haul, and if you guys want to see another skincare haul or just another review, please let me know. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.